Hi everyone, my name is Anne Marie and I am one of the program coordinators for the Recreation and Community Services Department. Today I will be showing you how to actually make a 4th of July inspired wreath and tree. And here is one of the finished projects. This is a cupcake lined wreath, and this one, which we'll be making today, also is a tree. So I hope you guys will like it and enjoy making this with your family. So these are some of the materials that you will need. I will show you first how to make this beautiful wreath. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to get at least 3 to 4 cupcake liners together. Okay, I'm going to use 3. And what I like to do so that it stays put is get my glue gun, glue, just put a little bit of glue in each liner so that they stick. So once you do that, make sure and then you just kind of make sure that they stick together. You flatten it just like this, okay? And you want to get it ready to make it into a flower. So what I will do next is I will put a dot of glue right here on the bottom. Okay, I want to put the glue on the bottom, and you want to stick the straight pin through, and you'll notice that there will be glue on the pin, and you want to just start sticking it into the foam wreath. I'm doing it at an angle because the pins are actually a lot longer than the width of the foam wreath. What you will do next, make sure you're careful because the glue is hot. And you will just kind of make it into a shape of what a flower looks like. Probably the best I think could describe this type of flower would be like a carnation. Put another layer, I'm doing it again for you. Okay, and then another dab of glue to make sure that the liners stay. Okay, I'll do that. And then take your cupcake liners, fold in half to make sure the glue is sticking. Okay, and then put a dab of glue on the bottom so it sticks to the foam also. And then take a straight pin, poke it through, and you just have to start poking that into your wreath. So depending on how you want your wreath to look like, you could make a design. You could alternate the colors. You could make it all one color if you like. Okay, like this. Okay, so this is going to take some time, but not too long. So let's go ahead and just keep going. So now I'm going to start to do a different color. I would keep the back part of it. Actually, you could keep that open because that is actually going to be against the door or where you're going to hang it. So this is the back portion of the wreath. So let's keep going. Okay, so let me just finish up with putting the last bit So once you are done, here you go. Here is my finished project. You could actually embellish it. And so what you could do is you could add a ribbon or some flowers. So what you could do is, I'm just gonna make a really easy ribbon for you to hang. You will want to glue it on to right about here, okay? And that will hang nicely like this. Actually, I have that backwards. Let's go like this. And it will hang like that on the door. And it will hang nicely. See? Okay. This one I actually did this kind of ribbon already. Here you go. I just used some hot glue and I glued it to the foam wreath, and now I could hang it just like this. The next project that is basically the same idea is a cupcake tree. Cupcake tree liner. See? So pretty. It's a tree that I still need to add. I'm going to add a top to it. But the way how you do the tree is basically the same way. So you take the mini cups. Same idea, same concept. Okay. And you will make sure so that they stay together. Okay. Same thing. You fold in half once again. Glue a little bit on the bottom so it sticks to the tree. And you'll poke through. And see, my tree is not done yet. You will do the same thing. Poke it through. And then you want to arrange the cupcake liners so that it's full, and you make it look like a flower. There you go. Let's do that again. 1, 2, and 3. Let's make sure they stick together. Okay. The glue right here on the outside, or what is sticking to the tree. There you go. Grab one of the pins. Poke through. For mine, I wanted to make it look like it's a diagonal, so I went like this. So, red, white, and blue tree. This is going to look beautiful on a table as a centerpiece. So if you make several of these, you could definitely put it on your table to help bring in the 4th of July spirit. All right, with the tree being finished, you could add some embellishments. So I'm actually going to add some jewels. So these, they're already sticky. You could get this from any craft store. They don't even have to be sticky. You could just glue them on. Oop, I put one there already. So let's do another one right here. There we go. Let's do some more red. Okay, So I'm adding some blue also. As you can see, there's some blue. Just putting them wherever you like. So as you can see the little red and blue beads that I'm adding. Let's add a little bit more. Let's go right about here. I would definitely do both of these crafts for any season. They would be great for decorations for birthday parties, for maybe even a baby shower, just depending on the color of your occasion. I would definitely do that. So once again, here is the finished product of the wreath. So pretty and elegant. And here is the lovely tree. I hope you liked this DIY or craft. Hopefully you and your family can do this together. It's really fun and easy, and I appreciate you for taking the time to enjoy this, and I just want to wish everybody a happy 4th of July. Thank you. You have a good day. Bye.